it going today out there in YouTube land? Today on the Flippin' Mike Show, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to transform this seat off of 2018. The 2018 Polaris RMK, I think. I don't know. It was cheaper than buying the factory seat. Factory seat isn't in that bad a shape, but the back end is all fudged up on it. So we're gonna make a bracket out of some scrap steel using the welder, a grinder, and this piece of junk I found a long time ago. It took me a while to dig it out of my scrap area. It's covered up by tarps and snow right now because we are in beautiful Wisconsin. So first I'm gonna cut all these links completely off. Then I'm gonna cut these flat bars to size for the mounting brackets for the seat. We're gonna mount right here, right there, and maybe somewhere up here. But those are gonna be our mounting brackets. Now, the goal is to try to line this edge right here at the round tubes, weld that onto a bar that goes straight across here, and make it so that it can meet up with the deck's tunnel. That will be fun. But you're on the Flippin' Mike Show, and today we're gonna get it done. Let's get to work. So you can use whatever cutting method you want. I prefer a grinder. Does the job pretty fast. And it's kind of fun. Try to make a straight cut here so that I can weld it back to a rod that goes onto here. Probably another straight cut there. And weld it so that meets up there. So basically it's going to build a metal frame that sits inside these grooves. Times. Looky there, look how nice that sets in there. So we clean that up. I do need to make a cross bracket. It goes from here over to this side. I'll probably cut this off pretty long, probably around up here, So I have plenty of room to make a taillight mount. And so far we are looking good. Got both sides made for the seat frame. Didn't come out looking too bad at all. From there to there, there to there. And I got this mount plate back here. This is gonna screw right into the factory seat. Right there. I'm gonna have to drill another hole right about here to make the other screw hole. But that looks pretty dang nice to me. So let's get to work. I'm gonna get to work on making these rods, and we're gonna get her done. Woohoo! So it's gonna go something like that. And the seat will sit up on there. I'll probably have to raise it just a little bit. Put a couple little feet pegs here with mounting brackets. There's already a hole there, so it'll be nice to shoot this hole right here. I might make a mounting bracket right to this bolt right here off the front frame. Woohoo! It's looking good, boys. Feeling pretty happy so far with how it's come together. Let's go find a snowbank, throw it in. All right, y'all, check this out. It's actually coming along pretty well. This is our frame so far. We're gonna have to do some more welding and grinding. I just welded everything in the spot on the top for right now. So we have to make a crossbar, another crossbar, and then some feet for it. It looks pretty cool too. This thing's gonna look pretty darn cool from the side, especially with this elongated spike. And I'll have to throw a LED taillight right up in here underneath this area, so I'll probably make a bracket come off to mount the taillight up into here, so it'll be nice tucked in underneath that Polaris seat. And that Polaris seat's gonna look pretty slick on this machine. I'll tell you what. So take these little guys off, probably save them and reuse them on something. I don't know. There's little clips for the original seat, but right here there's a hole in the hull, so that'll be nice to drill out because I know nothing's in that way. So drill that out, take these out, we'll make one of the feet back here, and I'm gonna weld for I can have a bracket, probably weld onto a thicker washer onto a piece of straight steel, going right here, remove these bolts, and weld it to the bottom of the frame, somewhere in here. So we're gonna mock this up by setting it down on here and seeing what it looks like. Let's go for it. So it sits on there pretty nice. We're gonna have to lift the rear just slightly, like that. So it'll sit pretty much like that. So these will be up. So the guys will be up. Now let's set the seat on here. Let's see what we got. Ho, ho, ho. Now if you ask me, that's gonna look pretty badass on this old machine. So that looks pretty dang cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to weld a bar straight down onto a big washer from here down, if I can mount there. Oh, or I could even take a flat and make a flat piece that comes off of this, goes straight over, and then make a brace. So it's got a brace with a flat, and then support a bar straight across. That would probably be the best way to do it. And then back here, gotta make a solid drop, and probably 2 rods coming down onto a plate with a drilled hole in it, so we can bolt it down to the chassis here. So I'll let you guys see what it looks like when I'm finished, after I get done with paint and making those couple other adjustments. But leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this video, if you like how it came out. But I think it looks way better than a factory seat. So you are here with Flippin' Mike. This is the Yamaha Exciter 2 570 project. Please leave me a thumbs up, a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Yee-yee!